Good morning, day 24 of 75 hard. The biggest reasons that people fail 75 hard, so remember, you got 2 workouts, you got to drink a gallon of water, you got to read 10 pages, you got to follow a healthy eating plan, no cheat meals, no alcohol, and you got to take a progress picture every single day, no exceptions. There is a giant Facebook group. It's like the official 75 hard Facebook group. I don't know, there's 50,000, 80,000, there's a ton of people in there. And the 2 things I always see people failing on are reading and water. And it's the forgetful thing. And I guess the picture too. And it's people forgetting to do those things. And they're deep into the program. You know, they're 20 days in, 30 days in, 40 days in. And they fall asleep with a little bit of water left. Or they fall asleep before they finish reading their book. Or they thought they took their picture, but they didn't take their picture. And wake up the next day and that dread of like, oh shit, I fucked up. But I don't think those are the actual biggest reasons that people fail. I think most people just stop. I think most people get tired of doing it, or they think they've learned their lesson, or they think I've learned a lot and I got the habits down. I don't need to keep doing this. In any time, in any realm of life, when you feel that way, chances are you need to keep doing the thing that you're doing. Because it takes more than 21 days to form a habit. We've talked about that already. And if you really desire the change that you had the vision for to begin with, then you got to keep going. You don't just stop and say, oh, I learned it already. We don't do that in school. We don't do that at work. We sure in the hell shouldn't do that with our health and fitness. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, day 24 is in the books. Everything is done. Tasks are done. They've been done for hours. Been hanging with this little guy again. We're just kind of in wash, rinse, repeat mode. Actually, today, you know what? Today I went and walked somewhere different for a change, just because I just needed a little change of scenery. It was a day I just strapped the weight vest on for workout number 2, but I didn't feel like walking around my neighborhood. And we got tons of great parks in this area. So I just picked a park and the weather was great. Saw a lot of people out, which is very encouraging. I didn't know any of them, just saw a lot of people. But it's nice to see people out, like intentionally moving their body and walking. Don't underestimate the power of walking in your fitness routine. I know it's not like the most high intensity stuff, but you ever notice like every neighborhood, there's some like really old people walking around? Success leaves clues, y'all. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.